A very good morning, and I'm your examiner, and I'm going to take your speaking level test. So, could I know your full name?
My full name is Afroja Dabusum. You can call me Afroja.
And where are you from?
I'm from Mirpur.
What do you do?
I'm a student. I just complete my IELTS exam.
And where is your home district?
My home district is Sherpur.
You tell me something about your home district.
It's a very beautiful place, and there are many historical places in here, which is Mothotila, Gosini Abokash, Shatkomuch Mosque, etc.
What does your father do?
My father is an employee.
What does your mother do?
My mother is a housewife.
What's your position in your family?
I'm a elder sister.
That means so you have a younger brother or sister.
I have a 2 younger sister.
Don't you have any brother?
No, I don't have a brother.
So do you quarrel with your sisters?
Yes, sometimes I quarrel with them.
What do you do in your free time?
I like to listen music and I watch movies in my free time.
What kind of movies do you watch?
I watch horror movies.
Horror movies?
Yes.
Who is your favorite actor?
My favorite actor is Tashrif Khan. He's a Pakistani actor.
Do you watch English movies?
No, I don't watch.
You don't watch. How many friends do you have?
I have a lot of friends.
So do you have any best friend?
Yes, I have a best friend. I have a true best friend, which is Trisha and Sumaya.
They are also student of Rahat English here.
Yes.
What's your future plan?
I want to be a doctor because it's my father's dream, so that's why I want to be a doctor.
Could you tell me something about your school from where you have passed your IELTS exam?
I read in Mirpur Govt High School, which is a very good for us, which is located in front of Mukti Jodha supermarket, and I was reading for there 7 years.
How was your childhood?
It was great.
Do you miss your childhood and would you like to come back your childhood?
Yes, I miss my childhood badly.
So do you think learning English is important and why?
Yes, I think learning English is important for us because it's an international language. Besides, if we get higher study or go to abroad, we can must learn English.
Would you like to go abroad for your higher study?
No.
What's your opinion about Rahat English here?
In my opinion, it is the best place where we learn English very quickly and very fast. Besides, their teacher, they are very humble to us. This is great place, in my opinion.
What will you say about those students who would like to join Rahat English here after completing his or her IELTS exam?
I like to say that if they admitted here, they will improve their English day by day.
Do you love traveling?
Yes, I love traveling, but I have no enough time or money for traveling.